Hello friends, in previous video we have seen what is figure of speech and types of figure of speech, alliteration and repetition. Figure of speech means it's a figurative language to give or to produce a greater effect, and alliteration means sounds are repeated, and in repetition words are repeated. Now today we are going to learn a new figure of speech, simile. Now what is simile? In simile, a comparison is made between two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common. The easy way or little track to identify simile is introduced by the like or as. If we have seen these words in sentence like or as, we can say that there is simile figure of speech. Now by taking an example we learn what is simile. For example, life is like a box of chocolates. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know which one you are going to get. Let's use this example to understand what is simile. A simile is a phrase that uses a comparison to describe. For example, life can be described as similar to a box of chocolates. Life is compared with a box of chocolate. You know, you have spotted one when you see the word like or as. Similes are great for famous authors, public speakers and folks who want to make their writing as exciting as a spontaneous show of fireworks. सिमिली म्हणजे उपमा अलंकार आहे की जो दोन गोष्टींमध्ये समानता दाखवतो, किमान एका गोष्टीत तरी समान असलेली समानता तो दाखवतो. A simile is a figurative language that describes something by comparing it to something else with the words like or as. Like किंवा as यासारख्या शब्दांनी simile denote होते. For example, as we take another example, as brave as a lion, or he fights like a lion. Two unlike things but having one common point, that is bravery. He fights like a lion. तो कशासारखा लढला? सिंहासारखा लढला. म्हणजे तो कसा ब्रेव होता? सिंहासारखा ब्रेव होता. ब्रेवरी त्याचं जे गुण आहे ते दोघांमध्ये काय केलेलं आहे? कंपॅरिझन केलेलं आहे. तेव्हा त्याला सिमिली फिगर ऑफ स्पीच असं म्हटलं जातं. नाउ we take some more example. As slippery as eel, as blind as a bat, as alert as a bird. Here comparison is between two unlike things having one common factor and identified by word as. दोन वस्तूंमध्ये कंपॅरिझन केलंय, त्यांच्या एका गुणासोबत कंपॅरिझन केलेली आहे आणि लाईक किंवा ॲज असे शब्द वापरलेले आहेत. तेव्हा आपण सिमिली फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे असं म्हणतो. So friends, you definitely know what is simile. Other figure of speech we will see in next video. Thank you.